Hi guys, today we have with us Ambar, who have got the highest placement on campus with 26 lakh package, right? 26.
Yes, sir.
So Ambar, we want to know about your story, and along with that, I want to know कि मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ if I'm coming to any MBA college कि I will also get the highest package, because the moment we talk about the highest package is normally double than the average college or college. So for example, if any college have an average package of 10 lakh, so highest will be 24 lakh. So आप 26 lakh पे हो. So how you worked, what you did, all these things we'll talk about. So I'll start with the introduction first. Where you from and how you ended up in this college?
Okay, sir. My name is Ambar. I belong from a city, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and Kanpur University was my alma mater as well. So I ended up writing my CMAT exam, where I got a bit decent score. So I landed up out here in NIBM, and NIBM has been really good, I would say, in terms of banking and finance.
Correct. This is the best college for banking.
Exactly.
So when you were preparing for the exams and when you joined the college, so उसमें क्या changes आया, मतलब what is the person में क्या फर्क दिखा तुम्हें? Like obviously everyone had to improve when you joined the college. So what were a couple of things you felt that these are the two areas of improvement which I have and I have to focus on these two areas? जो as a student में नहीं था, जो MBA की जो तैयारी कर रहा था उसमें नहीं था, इसमें मेरे को चाहिए. Want to join the MBA college.
Okay, see, in today's perspective, if you're going to look, MBA is more of a professional degree. So I think NIBM helped me to get that professionalism touch. If you're going to see, I definitely, my peers, my teachers, they helped me out to communicate well, to grasp the things as well. So one part, I think what the recruiters look into is your communication skills, and second, that I would suggest everyone that definitely not only the communication, you should also be the technical skills. What today's the companies and recruiters are looking for is you should be also good in your technical skills as well.
Correct. So because you have no work experience, you are a fresher BBA, so of course the profession जो चाहिए वो आपको, that one thing you learn from here. And any advice you like to give? Suppose I want to join your college, any college, I want the highest placement campus. So what advice you like to give to them? Should I focus on technical? पढ़ता रहूँ मैं 2 साल, पूरा 2 साल पढ़ता रहूँ, या should I participate more in extracurricular activities? So what is your, or I should do both sides, mix and match करो? आपने क्या किया था?
Sir, I think it's a mix of all. It's more of a holistic development. It's not only you should only be good in education, it's also you should also be added in your extracurricular activities. And I think the one of the best guiding factor what I see, the professors out here are really helpful. Whenever you feel like that, yes, at this point you need any sort of advice, they are always 24/7 available for you. You can contact them at any point of time. So definitely it's a process, a 1.5 year journey. So definitely this journey has helped me a lot. So it has been the learning curve have always gone up.
Correct.
So that's the process. I just come here, believe in your professors, that's it. Once you put your belief in them and the education what they give you in the field of, particularly in banking and finance, I think no one can match up to that.
Correct. And when the company came out campus, Magic Box, right?
Yes, sir.
Magic Box.
Money box, sorry. So when the Money Box came on campus, were they like very stringent process, or it's just like a normal company? Because a lot of people get stressed out. Kare highest placement hai, mera ho payega, nahi ho payega. So how was your experience on the day of the job? So it was both a bit of jitter and bit of excitement as well. Definitely for any student in the college, when they hear for everyone who is out here, they are looking for placements, and when they get to know that it's the company is paying you the most out here, so definitely it's a very, I would say, excitement as well. So it was a normal process. The first they took as the GD, group discussion, then they selected few, then it was an interview round, and then it was a HR round. So this most of the companies bring out with the same criteria.
कुछ अलग नहीं था.
No, nothing.
So don't get bogged down कि कोई ज़्यादा पैसे दे रही है तो ज़्यादा अच्छा profile होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. Profile obviously can change, but otherwise most of the time it will be same only. So great. Oh, thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. So nice to meet you, sir.
Same here.